Since its launch, Kenya's standard gauge railway continues to carry passengers and goods through various counties. And as COVID-19 spreads, SGR has taken special measures, from screening passengers' temperatures to making sanitizer readily available.
Yes, the station we are disinfecting very early in the morning before the passengers come in. We are making sure that the station is disinfected, and then most of our passengers start coming in the stations from around 11 o'clock. That's Nairobi and Mombasa for the main stations. So we ensure that we disinfect the stations once more. Later in the evening, because then we do have passengers coming in, both in Nairobi and Mombasa, we disinfect it, and then back the following day for the same cycle of carrying out the cleaning and the disinfecting the stations.
If a passenger records a fever, they're isolated in a separate cabin. The trained instructor then takes charge to ensure the proper measures are being followed.
After that, I'll just communicate to the office in Nairobi of the situation. And along the way to Mombasa, maybe in Tande, we have intermediate stations along the way. So they will make a stop in the next intermediate station, and an ambulance will be at a platform and it will be transferred to the hospital.
Staff on the SGR handle many passengers with each trip. The SGR has made sure they're properly equipped to safely provide the necessary services to customers.
For the staff, we've made sure that all the staff pass through the same entrance where the screening of the temperature is done in the morning by the security people and the people from health. And for the staff, we provided them with masks and gloves each and every day. And for passenger service department, we also have the temperature scanning machine, so that I can scan my staff after every 1 hour to ensure they are okay.
At the end of each trip, trains are properly fumigated and disinfected. Surfaces are wiped during and after each trip. SGR's managing company, Africa Star Railway Operations, also remains in close contact with government bodies to ensure their guidelines remain up to date.
We are also working very closely with the county governments, both Nairobi, Voi, and in Mombasa. And in fact, in Mombasa, in the committee crisis meeting, we have representation in the committee, so that we are able to deliberate, give an update, and we are able to be informed of the status and what other measures that we need to put through to assist and ensuring that we ensure that the virus does not spread.
Among their updated measures is respecting the Kenyan government's guideline to ensure that trains are only operating at 60% capacity in an effort to practice social distancing. Astatal, CGTN, Nairobi, Kenya.